Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape this generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the rear cigarette lighter fuses are located, you may have up to 2 of them in different fuse boxes. We will explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So the rear cigarette lighter fuses, where you can expect to find them, guys, we'll demonstrate on that generation Ford Escape here. This is the pre-facelifted model, this is the facelifted model. It will work for both. You have 3 different fuse boxes, and today, guys, we'll be working in 2 of them, okay? The first one that we need, you need to open the trunk on your Ford Escape, and on the right side you have a fuse box under this cover. Go ahead and open it. Once you open that cover, you'll find the trunk fuse box layout just like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's important to always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So we're mentioning 2 fuses. There will be one maybe in this fuse box, there may be one in another one, depending on the year and model and option package. So if we come in that middle row here, starting in this way, that's fuse 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. You may have this one, guys, you may not, depending again on the year, model and option package. If you don't have that one, open the hood on your Ford Escape. Once you do that, on the right side you have a fuse box under this cover here, okay? Once you open it, you'll find a main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Here, guys, okay, if you pay attention, the fuse for the rear cigarette lighter is fuse number 17. We're talking about this, guys, fuse right here, that 40 amp fuse. If we zoom in a little bit, you can kind of like see where it's located. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.